I'm sure somewhere on this page is a sunflower as part of our branding at Erik M. Pelton and Associates. We love sunflowers. We love the symbol of spring and growth and renewal, and tie that into trademark and brand protection. I've been using the phrase making trademarks bloom since 1999 and using sunflowers for at least 10 years in my marketing. And incredibly, I only just recently learned about the golden ratio and sunflowers. So the golden ratio is something that I actually came across more recently helping my kids with their math and science homework. And it's a law of nature, an exponential curve, which builds on itself and increases infinitely. And this golden ratio is found throughout nature in many different ways, from the human body to plants and other things. And it helps create structure and harmony intentionally by design. Turns out that the sunflower is a great example of this golden ratio. You see, if you look at the inner circle of a sunflower, which is actually rows and rows and rows and rows of seeds, it's actually not rows, it's a spiral. And the spiral is packed with density at the rate of the golden ratio to allow for the maximum number of seeds and the maximum impact to be packed into the size of that sunflower. And scientists have studied this. It's fascinating to me. Again, looked at sunflowers many, many times. I never thought about were they rows or concentric rings or how were the seeds arranged. It turns out it's this spiral that adheres to the golden ratio. Golden ratio also found in art and music and design and so many other places. And we can apply it to trademark protection as well. You see, the way that I apply it to trademark protection is that the more a business protects its trademark, protects its brand, the more that protection will build on itself over time and grow and expand. So when a business starts out and chooses a unique and bold brand name, that's going to add to more protection over time. When a brand goes through the process to apply and register with the US Patent and Trademark Office, that's going to lead to building and growing more protection over time. When a brand takes steps to monitor and enforce their trademark, again, that leads to this sort of increase, doubling down over and over again of more protection. So the golden ratio is just one way to think about building your trademark protection. The more you invest in that trademark protection, and we're not just talking about investing money, we're talking about the energy and creativity and effort invested into the trademark protection, the more protection you get and the more you get out of it. The golden ratio showing up in the world of trademarks. Hope you enjoyed that analogy. You can find lots more about trademark protection, about making trademarks bloom, about spring and flowers and sunflowers in my content, videos at ericpelton.tv, blog posts and podcasts at ericpelton.com. And, if you enjoy the content, I really am grateful when you share, like, subscribe so that we can help get the content out to more people so they can learn more about the importance of trademark protection as well.